Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to download videos in YouTube Kids. To download videos in the YouTube Kids application, open up the YouTube Kids app on your device first and sign in with your Google account. Now, go ahead and navigate to the video you wish to download and tap the three dot right underneath the video thumbnail. In the pop-up, click on Download Video. Now your download should start. The downloaded video will remain available as long as your device has an internet connection every 30 days. You can download up to 20 videos to watch offline. In order to find your downloaded videos, you'll need to go to Your Stuff from the homepage. And once you do that, make sure you tap on the Downloads option and your downloaded video will be presented in the list. That is how you will be able to download videos in YouTube Kids. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more YouTube Kids tutorials. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.